Say that you're gonna be Nancy. Yeah.
Flat twist. It's really easy to learn and I prefer doing it over braids. You want to start off by sectioning off a little bit of your hair in the front and then begin doing a normal twist. After a couple twists, begin to grab the hair behind your hands while still doing the same twist. You might have to try it a few times before you really get the hang of it, but you can do it, and don't say you can't because you can. But seriously, it's really just twisting and grabbing hair as you go back and maintaining the same twist. And if doing braided cornrows intimidates you, this is a great alternative and easier to do and take down, which I love. I'm keeping this at normal speed so you can see me do my hair in real time, but to also show that I'm being gentle with my hair. I have fine hair, so when I used to do braids, it would be too much tension, so doing flat twists, I'm making sure to be gentle and not pull on my hair too much. That was actually so easy. I know you can do it too.
I've been enough of petty dudes. I've had enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh. Today then yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. God is these broken clouds. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love and still love, and still love and still love. Still love, still love it, still love, still love, nothing but love for you.
Easy board cap method tutorial. First of all, you want to use HD wig cap because it gives the best melt, and then you cut the hole for your ears and then use the black ebony spray. I blow dry it, and then after that I use my melting band because of the ear tabs. Wait 10 minutes and take it off. Cut the excess lace, remove the excess spray with alcohol, and then tuck it in the back, and then apply your foundation, and that is literally the end.
Gotta shift to 10 a.m. Gotta dip at 10 p.m. Gotta get that cash, won't get past the lunch break. I ain't had a smoke break in about 2 days, no break. Been about 3 years since I dated you. Why you still talking about me like we together? I moved on for the better, you moved on to whoever. I was down for whatever, and then some. You gon' make me late to work again. Ooh, today than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. God is these broken clouds. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love and still love.
But one thing you gotta do is make sure you put on some lace tint. That works better on glueless wigs than the makeup because it doesn't have buildup and it allows it to just sit on the skin way more naturally. I'm using the even lace tint in the shade medium dark brown. You're gonna spray some of your lace tint like this. Make sure you get the edges of it. See how all of it is covered? Now we're gonna let that dry. Now that it's dry, we're gonna get into putting the wig on. You wanna make sure you adjust this elastic band to whatever your liking is. The one that I have comes with like this grip lining to make sure it does not come off even though it's glueless. After the elastic band is adjusted, you are going to, it's 2 ways to put it on. You can either pull it, put the elastic band first and then pull the back over and then start adjusting the front. I find this way to be easier because the other way is just putting it on regular and then trying to find the elastic band. Now you have to actually work on the hair. When I'm doing this, it's not going nowhere. It's not moving nowhere except onto my lip gloss. I'm gonna use my hot comb to start shaping the hairline of the wig like so. Now I'm gonna go in with some mousse and a spray bottle just to define the hair. It looks fine like this fresh out the package, but you know, your girl still gotta do what she gotta do. And then when you are done, this is what your finished product should look like. I'm gonna put my rat tail comb under and lift it up.
Visions of you and I. See you all around my way. Didn't mean to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see that this is more than just a silly crush.
Cut my bangs. You're gonna part in a U shape. The more hair you take out, the thicker your bang is gonna be. So you're gonna use the back of your hot comb and press that down just to get it smooth. Then you're gonna twist the hair and always cut longer than you want, just to be safe. I have 2 straightener options, but pencil straighteners tend to give you more precision. So I'm just gonna curl that downwards, and you're gonna cut not too much, but just thin that out how you like it.
Say that you're gonna be.